This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about specialty cupcake boxes, specifically these Pastry Tech cupcake gift boxes with windows. You can see we have three lovely designs here: the house, a flower top, and a mustache. Both the house and the flower top fit 4 cupcakes, and the mustache is for a single adorable little cupcake. They each come with their own inserts. Those inserts will help keep your cupcakes in place and keep them looking fresh and adorable when they get to your customers. These are a cute, attractive way to pack take-home favors or to pack up small orders at your bake shop. They're great for a variety of different occasions, and they add that cute little bit of whimsy to your special baked goods. The windows will show off your treats, and they each have their own special little details. The house comes with a ribbon closure and tag. The flower top gives you a beautiful and adorable little festive flair, and the mustache is just a little bit quirky. They're made from premium paper that is recyclable for easy cleanup, and they're perfect for bake shops, cafes, coffee shops, caterers, or just your next bake sale or party at home.